welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Today's video is going to be showing you guys my behind the scenes workspace desk setup, where I used to sew and like ship all of my things out when you guys are making your orders. So let's get right into this. I'm not going to waste your time. We're going to start on this side over here, and on this side is just my sewing machines. I have my Serger right here, which is a Brother 34D, and a Brother Lock 1034D, and then I have this Brother regular sewing machine, and it's a SQ9185. On this desk, it's the only thing that I keep up here, along with just like a little phone holder and the pattern notcher. Underneath this thing down here, I added this roll, this paper roll, and this is what you guys see me doing all my tutorials on. But when I'm cutting the patterns, I just put it down here and flip it up so that I can create, you know, patterns and things like that, so where it's stored away. And it's just on a curtain rod, literally a curtain rod under here, and it's nailed to underneath the desk. I keep my shoes down here because these are the ones I use when I'm sewing. And then on this side is an extender, because I got one long enough to extend, and I just keep all of my fabric patterns on there and out of sight, and I can close it back up. Also, my patterns and things like that are also on this side. So coming to the desk, I'm going to start on this side. On this side, whoops. On this side, I'm gonna keep my sketchbooks and things like that. You guys saw this in a previous video. I keep some perfume because I like to smell good. This right here, this little Buddha image, and a candle underneath that I never burned because I made it and I don't want to use it all. Right here, I stole this from my nephew. This is his projector. I have a projector and it just bounced off to a plain white wall. My Wi-Fi speaker or Bluetooth speaker, and my camera that I record with in this little money clip. I just keep all of my extra change from the end of the day, whatever I have in my purse, I empty it out and I just clip it right here. And then at the end of every week, I just go deposit it into my savings account. Now on this shelf down here, keep all of my pens, markers, highlighters that I use for when I'm shipping or when I'm taking notes and things like that. Also, when it's late at night, I can use this as a different light, like a smaller light. Keep my watch, my jewelry from Dixie Grays in here, my necklaces. And this right here is supposed to be like a magazine holder, but ultimately I use it just to store my packaging supplies and things like that. So if you've ordered recently, you received one of these inside of your package, and it's just to hold your swimwear for when you're traveling and stuff like that. Right here is notebooks and all that stuff. I have a prayer journal, regular notebook for things that I find online, my daily planner, and then this is for clients that I've talked to. I keep notes on all my clients just so that if they book again, I have, you know, references. On this side, just a cup with all of my remotes because I don't want those laid out, and the books that I'm currently reading, basically. Now, down here at the bottom is just extra storage hangers. It's already labeled, basically. Everything's labeled, self-explanatory. I keep my extra fabric and little knickknacks in here that I sew with. All the bikinis that are already packaged and ready to go is in this drawer, for instance, like this. So that way when I'm shipping, it's easy to just pack up and put inside the package, and I don't have to do an extra step. I just do that. These are ones that I'm adding to the site I have to complete. Down here is just my sewing toolkit, and I've had this since I went away to college and dropped out. And then all of my supplies are in here. Threads, embroidery hoops, and everything is in there. Anything that you need to sew with is inside of this little container, and I also use this as a footrest for my desk. Okay, now moving along. Right here is the boom mic arm, and I use this for recording voiceovers, or if I do a podcast or something, and I just have it right here. I can move it around, standing height, or I can sit down with it or whatever. I just keep that right there, along with all this other stuff. Pattern hooks, paper clip holders. I have a little quote that I love for manifestation. I have the little Cancer constellation sign, pictures that I found online that I liked, a mirror, obviously I need to see myself sometimes, and across here I have headphones and a safety, what do you call that? Eye mask? I don't know, face shield, whatever. Yeah,
shield.
I have that there. And then on top of the desk, pretty clean. I don't like clutter. I have my MacBook Pro, I have my iPad Pro, and I just got this screen recently. It's an HP, it's a 32F HP, and I have this screen. It's really nice, along with the webcam for when I'm doing strategy calls, or even if I want to record just a video with just the webcam. I have that. Now, on top of here is really cool. This part is my keyboard cover for the MacBook. It's a keyboard cover, but this keyboard cover in particular has the control settings, like the shortcut keys. So it shows you on each one different shortcuts, so you don't have to Google them, because that's just a waste of time. Obviously my cup and my cup holder. Okay, so the chair is a standing desk chair. It goes higher or lower. So it goes really high if you want to sit really high. I never do that because that's ignorant. But I also have this one to drop down, and it drops so that I can use it at this desk, or I can use it at this desk. This thing right here, this floor mat, is just to protect the carpet. It has nothing to do with the chair. It's just so the carpet doesn't get roller marks or anything like that on it. And then up here at the top of the closet desk workspace is more shipping supplies, extra fabric, more bikinis, the smaller bikinis, the top and bottom that aren't prepackaged already because they're sold separately. Shipping supplies, more basic essentials. And then I also have this little light right here that can go up or down for when I'm filming flat lays or recording, or if I need extra light. As well as these lights under here. They can be adjusted to different color settings and things like that. I'll see if I can get it on camera. Yeah, so you can change it to whatever color you want, and that's cool. And then when I'm not using any of this stuff, I just take these ties off, close it all up, and work is complete. So that is my desk tour, you guys. If you guys liked it, make sure you give a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.